Hi everyone. Today I want to share that .NET 8 is now available on Power. You can find more information from Janani's blog announcing this in the Power Developer Exchange community, which also includes links to Microsoft and Red Hat blogs too. .NET 8 is super easy to install on Power with Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Here I install .NET 8 on RHEL 8 using the DNF command. .NET 8 is now installed. I will now pull .NET 8 images from the Red Hat Container Registry. Links to the complete .NET documentation and how to get started guides located on the Red Hat site are listed in Janani's blog. To create a simple .NET 8 Hello World containerized web application, first check that .NET 8 is installed using the .NET Info command. I'm just creating a new directory to keep things tidy. Next, create the new application. So that's the application created. Next, I change to the application directory and edit the csproj file to specify container usage. Tom's done a great job of simplifying containerization of .NET apps, so I encourage you to check out his blogs. Now, I publish the application, which thanks to Tom, creates my new .NET 8 application container without me needing to create a Docker file, as it's now done automatically. The new container can now be seen using the podman images command. Now, I'll run the container. Which can be accessed by pointing my browser to the specified port on the IP address of the system running the container. So there's the Hello World page, displayed by my new containerized .NET 8 on Power application. I can stop the application using Control-C, and when I refresh the browser, the app is gone. The app can be started and stopped very quickly, verified by refreshing the browser. Last year, I was able to publish public customer references for .NET 7 on Power within a week of availability. Let me know how you get on, or if you'd like any help running .NET 8 on Power.